Welcome, Brandon here with Showchrome Accessories to introduce another brand new item fitting the Can-Am Ryker models. This product is our mesh radiator grille, which is made out of steel and is a black finish. This installation is extremely easy, takes about 30 minutes, and comes complete with all hardware needed for the installation, including longer bolts should you already have some accessories mounted to the same mounting holes. This radiator grille will greatly increase the protection to your radiator without hindering the airflow that is needed to cool your bike. This radiator grille is going to greatly increase the radiator protection that you have on your Can-Am Ryker. If you have any further questions, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. And be sure to like us on Facebook as well as Instagram. Thank you for watching and safe riding.